trucks is his sponsor. It's called the Red Flag Ram. And amazingly enough, it's red. Here we go. We're going to get it backed up and away we go. Again, remember, suspension in the rear can be locked and it can be solid. They can run dualies on these. They do not have to have street suspension. A lot of the 2.6 aren't really your going to the store types. Plus, they've got weights on the front. They do have to have a stock radiator in place, but they can have cooling mechanisms onto the airflow into the 2.6. All right, we got a green flag. Here we go. Pull up and let it go. Something happened. 261 feet, that is your new leader, everyone. Right.